Good afternoon, everyone. So, tomorrow we started a new chapter, Nutrition in Plants. So, today we are going to do some extra questions of that chapter. So, the first question is, what is nutrition? The process of intake of food and its process of utilization of the body is called nutrition. What are the different modes of nutrition? The different modes of nutrition are heterotrophic and autotrophic mode of nutrition. Define autotrophic mode of nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which the organism makes its own food from photosynthesis by carbon dioxide, sunlight, water and minerals is called autotrophic mode of nutrition. What is the meaning of autotroph? The word auto means self and troph means nutrition. So, autotroph means self nutrition. Define photosynthesis. The process by which green plants make their own food is called photosynthesis. They use carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and chlorophyll in this process. Next question is, how do seeds obtain nutrition to grow into saplings despite having no leaves? Seeds do not have green leaves, but they grow into saplings because starch is stored in the seeds. When proper moisture is given to the seed coat opens up, the radicle comes out of the root system and plumule, and the shoot comes out from the plumule. When saplings grow, leaves are also formed. After the leaves grow, they make their own food by photosynthesis with the help of light, air, and water. If a plant forms glucose, why do we perform starch test? So, the extra glucose of the plant is stored in the leaves, and later the leaves change it into starch, which is a complex carbohydrate. So, that's why we perform the starch test. State changes in a cactus to adapt in the desert. In desert plants like cactus, the leaves are modified into spines to reduce water loss by transpiration, and they have a green and thick fleshy stem for water and photosynthesis. Explain the function of stomata. Tiny pores called stomata are present on the underside of the leaves. These are surrounded by guard cells. The guard cells control the opening and closing of the stomata. CO2 enters the plant through stomata. What is the importance of photosynthesis? Photosynthesis enables the green plants to make food. In the absence of photosynthesis, there would be no plant. So let me explain the three questions. First, changes in cactus to adapt. तो क्या होता है, जो कैक्टस की जो लीव्स होती हैं वो होती है स्पाइंस में कन्वर्टेड, ताकि लीफ में से पानी कम जाए, और जो स्टेम होती है वो होती है फ्लैशी और ग्रीन और मोटी, ताकि उसमें पानी स्टोर हो और फोटोसिंथेसिस हो. फंक्शंस ऑफ स्टोमेटा. स्टोमेटा एक गार्ड सेल्स से खुलते हैं, बंद होते हैं, और वो एयर CO2 और ऑक्सीजन के एक्सचेंज में हेल्प करते हैं. Photosynthesis, the process in which plants make food, is called photosynthesis. Define heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Some organisms are not able to make their own food, but they take nutrition from plants or the host plant, and they are non-heterotrophic mode nutrition. Explain parasitic mode of nutrition with Cuscuta as an example. So, Cuscuta is a total parasite. In this mode of nutrition, some plants live in or own the body of another living organism. They derive the ready-made food from them. This mode of nutrition is called parasitic mode of nutrition. Phosphata is a total parasite. Okay, so that's all for now. Bye.